Hi, it's me. Hello, beautiful people of the internet. It's me, and I am almost alive. Finally, we are redoing the balcony, and I'm kinda dead. We were working yesterday to 2 o'clock, I think, at night, and I wanna show you how it looks right now. So as you can see, it's a big mess. Flowers, flowers, flowers. Shelving. Was painting my shelves. Flowers. So let me show you more flowers. Shelvings, flowers, chilies, flowers. It's terrible. I didn't know I had so much plants. Oh, so many plants. Look, I can't even cook food. Terrible. Look at this. Flowers, 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 pots, flowers. Oh gosh, I'm kinda... Maybe I should turn the lights on for the pots. But you remember how my balcony looked like before? And if so, So this is the view from the kitchen, and today I will try to find a video where you can see my balcony. But here is new floor. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, I have my chili because I think it deserves. But look, guys, so I'm building this shelvings unit, so it's gonna be all over there. Probably you will see in the continuous, if you watch the video, you will see everything. And I paint the yellow bricks here in white. Everything is not ready yet, far from ready. But oh my god, so this is progress. I have 2 more shelves to do, and as you can see, everything's gonna be white. And here I'm gonna have a triangle to fit it up, and probably I will fill this one too with a little shelf here. Oh, this is gonna be so pretty. I'm not sure what I want to have as a covering. I did a spacing here for trucks, so I can have, you know, trucks and put shit in it. Oh god, this is job, and I'm not so handy, so I don't know. I'm maybe supposed to wait for Nick to come home and help me out, but I didn't, so let's hope he will not be angry, okay? What you doing? He took over my work. I wasn't good at it. But this is the doors to the shelvings. Just with a simple plastic. So I'm just gonna cut it so it's gonna be beautiful white. Now everything is screwed together, so there is very nice beautiful line. This I'm not so proud of, and my hubby not either. The other corner is better, but well, so what we're doing now, shelving in between. Here's the maestro. Maestro, say hi. Or here I am. Let's see me in the door. Oh gosh. So this, and I'm gonna make the cover to this one. Oh gosh. Jag är ledig imorgon. Kolla så fint. Så mycket fint. Och jag har inte plats. Jo, jag har plats.